Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to Total Life Changes. I'm so happy and so grateful that you have aligned yourself at the right time. My name is Chanteria'Unique. I am a proud executive director here in Total Life Changes, and this video will, in fact, take your business to the next level. So before I even get into how to get started, what to do, right? I know you are probably thinking, I have no idea why am I here, right? Why am I here? What have I got myself into? I was thinking the exact same thing 7 months ago when I decided to join, right? Again, I'm 23 years old. My name is Chanteria'Unique. I had it all figured out, at least I thought, was going to school, getting good grades so I could get a good job, and never in a million years did I think I would be here in network marketing, promoting and selling health and wellness products, right? So I just want you to know, I just want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and I want you to know that you are at the right place at the right time. Okay, you have made an amazing decision. Just like you, I had no idea, and I have gotten very far, right? So a little bit more about myself. I am from Chicago. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I am the oldest of four girls, right? I, was told that corporate America was the thing that you were supposed to do. Going to school, get good grades, go to college, all of that. I did everything that I was told was the right way. But once I joined network marketing, I started to learn a lot about myself. I was able to literally do personal development, get my body right, and lose 29 pounds. So I tell you that to tell you, not only are you going to make money in this company, but you are going to become the best version of yourself. So let's get right into it, okay? First thing that you want to do before you even learn your back office, before I even log into here, I want you to first ask yourself, why am I here? What's your why, right? What is it that you joined TLC for? What do you want to get out of TLC? So I want you to write that down. What is your why? Right? So once you figure that out, now what I want you to do is find your favorite product. So first you're going to go ahead and log into your back office. You're going to type in tlc-ioffice.com. It's going to take you to this screen. You're going to get your login from the email that they sent you. There will be a welcoming email that's going to send you your username and your password, okay? You're going to take your login information that was emailed to you. You're going to log into what is called your back office. This is going to be your everyday portal for you to check on your business, check on your team, check on your commissions, your retail customers, all of that good stuff. This is your office for your TLC business, okay? First thing you want to do when you find your favorite product, before you find your favorite product, rather, you want to go to shop and look at the products. Shop around. Get to know your back office as far as your products go, okay? My personal favorite product is the NutriBurst. I love the NutriBurst. Why do I love the NutriBurst? Because it's a multivitamin liquid. My hair has grown so much, guys. My hair has grown so much. My skin is clear. I feel amazing. It's a perfect pick-me-up for your everyday needs, okay? So after you find your favorite product, what I want you to do is whatever product you probably ordered, say you ordered NutriBurst when you joined the business, I want you to go and find two other products that you can identify with that's going to help kickstart your journey, or that's going to be products for you to sell and sample, okay? So if I were you, I highly recommend you choosing NRG, okay, and the detox tea. When you get 2 bags of detox tea, you can use one for yourself, and you can break down this other bag back here and sample it or sell it. It's totally up to you. So after you find your 3 products, don't purchase them. What I want you to do next is, as soon as you log into your back office, I want you to go to SmartShip and create your SmartShip, right? So on your SmartShip, you should have multiple products for you to sip, sell, and sample. That means that you should have 3 products on your SmartShip. Whatever product you ordered when you joined, congratulations. Get to know and love that product. However, every single month you should be having 3 products come in every month, okay? When you create your SmartShip, it'll take you to this screen. You'll click Create Your SmartShip. Go ahead and slide over and hit Add to add it to the cart, okay? So my personal SmartShip that I always do every single month is the Freedom Kit. Why do I do the Freedom Kit? Because it's going to give me 2 bags of tea, a 30-day supply of NRG, and a 30-day supply of NutriBurst, okay? Go ahead and click add or shop around, see whatever kit you want, whatever products you want to get every single month. The company's going to pay you an endless amount of money. However, they say if you do not buy a product from me a month, you don't get paid, right? So after you have found the product that you want, go ahead and verify your information, hit save changes, and then you can have your smart ship complete, okay? So now that you have created, before you do save your smart ship, what I want you to do is change this date here to the day before whatever today's date is, so that it comes out next month. You don't want to create a smart ship and then your smart ship comes out right after you bought your kit, so you're paying multiple things a month. Go ahead and make sure this is a day prior to today's date, whatever today is for you, and make sure it's a day before so that you don't get charged again, okay? After you created and shared, you save your smart ship, what you want to do next is you want to figure out who is it that you are going to have join you in business, right? You want to get 2 people. You know, in this business, we call it a left person and a right person. But what I want you to focus on is you want to get 2 people that you can help change their life. You want to identify with 2 other people that you know supports you, loves you, which brings me to, okay, now that you've gotten your 2 people, you need to make a list. You need to make a list of 100 people. After you figured out who are you going to get to join you and bring up with you in business, you want to get a list of 100 people so that you can identify who is going to be what type of person. What I mean by that is, I want you to write down 100, a list of 100 people. The 100 people may sound scary. It may sound like a lot. Don't get scared by it, okay? You're going to get binary when you make this list, and you're going to get a lot of customers when you make this list, okay? So before this, as soon as this call is over, I want you to get right into your list so that I can show you how to get paid, okay? That's what we all want to get paid. We all want to get healthy. So essentially, I am making your life way easier by showing you how you can break down your list, okay? So once you have wrote down 100 people, I want you to write 4 different graphs, okay? So it'll look like this. 4 different lines. And what you'll do is you'll write down your first 25 people is going to be what 25 people likes or supports you, okay? What 25 people do you know? They either like you, love you, whatever it is that you do, you know that they're going to support you at the end of the day. Write down a list of 25 people that fit that category. The second 25 people is going to be, who needs to gain or lose weight. Who do you know needs a life change in their health, okay? Needs a complete makeover, right? Whether that's a physical makeover, mental makeover, they can use these products because the products are going to change their life, right? Make a list of those 25 people, okay? The third 25th people that I want you to write is, what like-minded business partners do you know? Who owns their own business right now? Who has a booming business? Who do you know is a money maker, right? Who do you know is going to make money because they already have the business mindset? This list is very important, okay? You want to underline on this list because remember I told you to get those 2 people. This category, when you think about joining people in business, this is the best category for it. You want people to join you in business that are serious about business or that you know for a fact is a hustler, right? This is a perfect target market because this list is going to make you some money. This is going to make you some money in your business long term rather than a customer, okay? The last 25 people that I want you to write down, who needs another source of income? Who do you know has asked you for money? Who do you know has asked to borrow money, who's always needing money, who could use some money, right? Mothers fit that category. Mothers that are hardworking mothers, somebody that stays at home, stay at home mom, stay at home father, somebody that you know needs some money. This is going to also fit that category of you getting 2 people, right? Who could use another source of income? Who's not working right now? Who's been laid off? You want to make that list of people. But most importantly, you want to make sure that you complete this list because once you complete this list, then you're going to be able to tap into residual income. which brings me to exactly what I want to talk about. So now that I have told you the things that you need to do as soon as you join the business, you're going to also receive a welcome letter. The welcome letter is going to be attached to this video. You'll make sure that you do step 5 first. Step 5 is simple and easy. It is your link tree. You want to make sure that you have your link tree set up. We'll have a video, a separate video from this video showing you exactly how to set up your link tree. But in your welcome letter, you want to make sure you complete your welcome letter in full as soon as you get done watching this video. You create your list of 100 people. And lastly, you have your TOC pay set up, okay? So how are you going to get paid? Now that you have done all of this, I know you're thinking, how do I get paid in the business? Go to TOC pay right when you log into your back office, okay? It'll be at the very top in a blue bar. If it's not there, don't worry about it. The system, you need to give the system some time to realize that you are a distributor now, okay? So once you click TLC Pay, it's going to take you to a whole nother website directed to Hyperwallet. What you want to do is you want to first go ahead and activate your account, okay? Activate your account, hit activate account, and put in your IBO ID, not email. You can do email, it's completely up to you, but this is how you first create your TOC pay portal. This is how you create your direct deposit. We get paid daily or weekly, it's totally up to you. After you have done that, the company is going to send you an email, Hyperwallet. You'll be able to activate your account from there. You'll be able to go back here, log in with the username and the password, and then you can recreate your TOC pay from there. What that brings me to is, what that brings me to now is after you set up the pay, you want to click your name here, go to change settings, make sure your website link is here. This website link is very, very, very vital and important for you because this is what's going to help you create your link tree, which we'll have another video again on how to do the link tree, okay? After you have this copied and pasted somewhere, you want to copy and paste and save that in your notes, your folder, whatever. This is your retail link. This is your website where people can go and shop. After you do that, you want to make sure all of your contact information is updated and correct here. Your TOC daily pay, if you want to get paid daily, this is how you set it up. This is what you'll need to go to and click and create your daily pay. As far as binary placement preference, pay very close attention. When you first join the business, when you don't have anybody yet on your team yet, you want to hit edit and you want to do balance build. That's going to put a person when they sign up on your left, and that's going to put a person when they sign up on your right. That way it can be equal, okay? So put balance build and save it. Make sure your holding tank says no. You do not need your holding tank on. Then you can go from there and save this, okay? That will be everything that you'll need to know in your back office right away. Make sure that your card is on file and payment methods. As far as your business go, so I'll just give you guys a quick overview really quickly. Only have a few minutes left. What you need to know in your business back office right now that's very important is only about 4 things. First thing you need to know is your personally, what the bars over here mean, okay? Personally sponsored retail customers is exactly what it sounds like. What retail customers did you personally bring in or personally went on your website and created an account? This is the most important link if you hit personally sponsored retail customers, because you're going to also see people that have started to place an order with you that didn't finish, okay? That you can tell by their last order date. If there's nothing in the last order date, that means that they did not finish and completely sign up with you, okay? Last thing you want to know is, the second thing you want to know is G5 qualifying customers. G5 qualifying customers, write this down. You need to promote the top 5 products for the rest of this month. NutriBurst, NRG, 50-pack ISO tea, brewed tea, and NutriBurst. Okay? NutriBurst, NRG, resolution drops, 50-pack ISO tea, and brewed tea. Okay? Last one that you need to know is commissions. In the commissions, that'll show you how much you got paid for the week, how much you got paid for the day in the daily commissions, okay? So that's about everything you need to know in your back office. Again, welcome to Total Life Changes. There'll be separate trainings down here below on this link. You'll see how to create your link tree and some other things on how to become director, binary qualified, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for being here. You are chosen, and welcome to the diamond section, baby.